Welcome to Zebra's Mobile Computing AI Suite, your gateway to building powerful AI applications on Zebra devices. AI Suite consists of three key components. First, fine-tuned AI models for various use cases. Second, the AI Data Capture SDK, offering flexible APIs to leverage these models. And third, a suite of resources like sample applications and reusable source code to accelerate your development. To get started, visit the TechDocs page at techdocs.zebra.com/AI-data capture. Begin by identifying the AI model that suits your use case. Explore the model info pages for details on functionality, configuration, and performance. Models can be downloaded from the ZebraTech JFrog repository or integrated directly into your app via Gradle. They can also be deployed standalone, keeping your app lean. Next, integrate the AI Data Capture SDK into your IDE. The SDK is available via the ZebraTech JFrog repo or Gradle configuration. For setup prerequisites and instructions, refer to the TechDocs setup page or tutorial video. The SDK also includes Camera X compatible components, simplifying the development of high-performance AI applications. Once the models and SDK are set up, you're ready to build your AI application. Explore the ZebraDev's GitHub repo for sample apps and reusable snippets, including demos showcasing the SDK's capabilities. Step-by-step tutorials on YouTube further guide your development journey. For any queries, connect with us via the Zebra Developer Forum. Start building today with AI Suite and transform your workflows with the power of AI.